Senator Elachi, your comments on that in regards to Jubilee trying to maybe have this as an in-house thing for the sake of national cohesion.
You know, this is not an in-house thing. What we forget is that right now, Mheshimiwa William Ruto is the deputy president of this country. So it's a state issue. Even when we took it to ICC, we did not take it from an internal issue. It was done in Parliament where we had representatives. Therefore, it became an issue of the state. But the most important thing we should say, we have not closed the wound. We cannot leave two brothers from one community in an international court and you tell their community that, you know, now we are scratching the wound. No, the wound is so wide. What we need to ask ourselves as a country is, how do we heal and how do we make sure this community does not feel, after all we did, we are now being profiled, that we are warriors, that we are the ones who kill people in Kenya. And I want to also tell the international community embassies that are here, because I know they're here. We've sat with a few of them. When you listen to their comments, you get even more worried, because they'll tell you, you know, the integrity of the ICC is very critical. And therefore for them, they don't care. What they care so most is about the integrity of the ICC, but not the integrity of the person, the individual who is now at The Hague innocently being tried to be tried for something of not his now. Because when you look at William Ruto's case now, it has completely changed. It's a community thing. Because for him, he's being told, with your community, you being the general, this is what happened. Now, when we sit here, and for me and the chairman, I think we were at that time, yes, we were in PNU, he was in ODM. Sat at Serena, sat at many places. We know how we sat. We used to have our own issues, those were internal. But the two, we cannot now come here. For us, it would be very wrong, for me especially, to come and say, we have hit. No, 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 we have not. Until the day we see the deputy president unsung out of The Hague, now Kenya starts a roadmap of healing.
So are you saying unless they are out of The Hague and they're not guilty, then Kenya cannot heal?
Even if we heal, don't forget one community will always, and they will not blame the Kikuyus or anything. They'll also blame the Luos. They'll say we went to Hague because we stood with our brothers from the western side. Let us be very honest. It's a reality. Even today, that's what they say.
So in your opinion, what's the way forward?
So the best way forward is all of us as Kenyans to say, this is our issue as a country. If we want to unite back to be Kenya, it's our issue as a country, and we must stand and finish this issue as a country. And we must put in processes of moving on now to heal completely.